Hello everybody, my name is Carolina Quintana. I am a student at the University of UNAT. In this moment I will present the word for the course English Basic 2. This is a storybook, okay? And for start, I talking about introduce myself. Again, my name is Carolina Quintana. I'm married. I have 2 children. I'm 38 years old. I'm happy. I'm funny. I like to spend time with my family. I like to listen to all kind of music. I don't like the mess and lack of cleanliness lines. I live in Cuba in the upper neighborhood. I love the Book of Mormon. Yes. The next storybook, I am talking about my favorite celebration or holiday, and I love vacation or holidays in my country. In those days, I spend time with my family. Every holiday we go for walking and driving to swimming and have fun. We went to visit sometime and visited in touristic place. And or the our days of the worker, all days independence, or days desired in the vacation, and we kept late and we went to with my family to the river, for example, and we swimming, walk, and or watching TV's movie on a rest and relax. Yes, the most important things is that we share with time with my family. We went to the restaurant typical food. We ate and like a sancocho and roasted meat. In those days we are I wearing a blue shorting sandals, hat and sunglasses. Yes. The next is I am talking about the household chores in doing my house. In my house, I always prepare the breakfast, lunch, and dinner with my family, for my family. And I always do the cleaning. Sometimes I wash the dishes. My son really washes the slab. My daughter Ana Maria often cleaning her room. My son Alejandro often the other clothes. My husband rarely sweeps the house, and I never wash the house on Sundays. We often clean the doors, they never mop the floor, and I always do it. Yes. The next, I am talking about the movies or music or books I am watching, the listen or reading currently. Yes. And for example, always I am watching the news in English. And normally I am watching the series A Good Doctor every Wednesday. Every Saturday afternoon I am watching the movies with the children, like Avengers, like Fun and Furious, Toy Story, Frozen, and more than the others. Sometimes I am watching the Happy Saturdays every Saturdays at night. Currently, I am reading the books in English, I'm reading the Book of Mormon in English, the book Connect in English, and the interdisciplinary perspective of the social science. Yes, is the other book I'm reading. Currently, too, I am listening to podcasts, speaking English now. Also, I often listen to the music in English to learn English. Yes. Always I'm watching any videos to learn learn English. This is watching the videos early at the 4:50 a.m. and often at night I'm very husband books with my family. Yes. The last one is I am talking about the clothes according to the seasons. When okay, and in the winter the people can wear. We must wear jacket and turtleneck, gloves, pajamas, coat, skirts, socks. Or also we must wear a sweater, a woolen hat or boots. Yes. In spring the people can wear. We must wear shawl and not skin, t-shirts, tennis shirt, boots, hat, trousers, overalls, shoes. And in the summer the people can wear the people must wear shorts and short dress and sweet barrow, tops, cap, flip-flops and sandals. And the autumn the people can wear, we must wear jeans, shirt, sweatshirts, books, raincoat, swim pants, blazer, and we are wearing cardigans and books and umbrella. Yes. And this is no more. Thank you so much, my storybook. Yes.